welcome to my channel. My name is NAFULA. So today is Friday and Friday is Fish Fridays. So I'm gonna be going to a grocery store, Price Choppers here, and I will be buying fried fish, samaki. You can see it right there. I'm just looking for parking, and then we'll go in and then I will show you guys, like, if you want to buy fish, like how you go about it. It's pretty much easy. Today I don't feel like cooking, so I'm just gonna buy fish real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna just park right here. I think we should be good. I'll just park right here behind this car. You know, in America, you don't have to cook every day. You know, the African people, usually they have to cook every day. Here, you don't have childcare. You don't have a nanny. You work full time. You have all these things going. So sometimes you don't have time to cook, and that's completely fine. Guess what? You can buy food, and if you don't like American food, you can buy African food here. It's American food with an African touch. So today I'll be showing you where you can buy fried fish, and I will take you through the process. Pretty much you go to, like, the way you go to a grocery store back home is the same way here. You just go to a grocery store and you buy the rest of other stuff, and on top of that you get your dinner. So when you get home, what you do, you just prepare the dinner and it's ready for everybody to eat. So here you can get like different type of fish. That's the good thing about this country. Like, you can get a variety of stuff. And some are expensive, some are pretty inexpensive. Like tilapia, we love tilapia. If you buy tilapia, you can buy tilapia from Walmart and actually come and deep fry it and just eat it the way you would be eating fried tilapia at Dunga Beach in Kisumu. So you can do that. Or alternatively, like, if you're working and then, you know, you're late and you don't feel like cooking anything, you really don't have to. So you have to make your life a little bit easier. Otherwise, if you don't, you'll just run into stress because you're here, you're tired, you came home, you have kids, and then you have to cook and do all that. You don't have to do that every day. And it's okay. Nobody's gonna judge you here for being an imperfect woman by not cooking. So you can get like ready-made food and you can bring, and then you can feed your family so they go to bed early. So today I'll be buying the swai fish. I love that. I love, especially for kids, it's flaky, it's soft. Like, if you have, like, you know, toddlers and stuff like that, they love that. Even adults, it has like very good flavor and it's pretty inexpensive. I don't eat it as much, but then it's a good choice. I love salmon too. You can get fried salmon. You can get fried haddock. That's very popular here. You can get fried shrimp, which is very popular here. And then they just fry your fish, and then you can order fries. So they fry the fish. You get, like, you know, 2 orders of large fries, like if you have, like, you know, a big family. And then after that they just pack it, and then when you get home after the kids are showered, guess what? Fish and fries, just like that, without having to drive anywhere. And that way you don't have to, like, worry about taking your kids and all your family to, like, a restaurant and you know they're running around and stuff like that. You don't want that. Or sometimes you're busy and you don't have time to go out. You can actually buy food on your way from work, and then when you come home, food is ready. And if you don't like to do the dishes, you can use the dishwasher, or you can buy paper plates. So after they eat, you just throw them out, and then you don't have to do the dishes, because it's very busy here. That if you can take a little bit of stress out of your day, that would be very helpful. So for me today, I don't care if anybody judges me, but I'm gonna buy fish, and that's what they're eating for dinner. Whoever doesn't want to eat that, bye-bye. You can go night-night. You can drink some water and go night-night, okay? All right, let's go and find out how to buy fish. So I'm walking in. It's weird because, you know, like, I'm talking to myself. Being a content creator is not easy because I'm just walking and people are like, why is she talking to herself, you know? So we'll go in. I'm trying to look for an aisle where there's nobody. I don't. That's the seafood place. And then you just order your fish right there, and then they wait and then tell you how much it is, and then they dip it in the oil over there, and then over here they just put it right there, and then your dinner is ready and you just take it home and eat it. So this, if you want like crab, you can get some crabs here, and then you can have them fried for you. And then you have cooked shrimp, and then we have crab legs right there. And then here we have more shrimp, have scallops. And that's the shrimp, the $10.99. I love that fried. All right.
See, like wrinkles.
No, that's fine. That's completely fine. So, how do you cook the codfish?
You get a pan that's too small for the big piece of fish,
Mm-hmm.
and then you put half a stick of butter in the pan, and you melt it. When it's melted, you put the fish in, and the way you fit it is you fold it and put it over and around, and just get it so it's all within the edge of the pan. And I use a pretty small frying.
So, do you season it before you do that, or you just dip it in
Oh yeah,
there?
I put tarragon in. When the butter melts, I put tarragon in. So
In the
then-
butter or in the fish?
In the butter.
Oh, okay.
The butter melts, I put the tarragon in. Then I put the fish in, the big piece of fish in the little pan, fold it all around, get it in. And I watch it until water comes out of the fish so that it's cooking in a mixture of butter and water, and it's even deeper. And then I put the cover on. And then I just let it cook for like 6 minutes.
Oh,
And then
nice.
I check it to make sure it's just flaking off properly.
Mm-hmm.
So that it's not mushy and wanting to stay together, and it's not hard.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want chewy fish. That's the worst. It's not bubble gum.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's done.
Oh, thank you for the recipe. And what's your name?
Sue.
Sue. Nice
is-
meeting you.
This is Sue, who doesn't know how to cook. I was only allowed to bake as a child, so I can bake.
You're doing great, though.
I try.
I like swai. This
I
one's
cook
right
for
here.
my-
I like this
This
one.
is farm raised. No.
No?
Don't eat this. It's farm raised.
I like that, and then I like the haddock and some salmon. I like salmon too.
You would like that. The
Yeah.
salmon's all farm raised.
Okay, see like
No,
that.
you can't buy the salmon.
The salmon.
It's farm raised. Look. That's not snapper wild. That's good. It's a little expensive. I think the cod is about 10. The cod's been 10. Even
Mine-
down by New York City where my mom lives, it's $10 a pound. And the fresh wild salmon is $25 a pound.
Wow.
I'm like, I don't think so.
So the wild is more expensive than just the farm raised, correct?
Yep. It usually is. But cod always is wild because you can, I guess there's a lot of it where they go. So it tends
Ah.
not, I mean,
I don't want the big one. Yeah, those ones are good. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Half a pound of shrimp and then 2 large fries, please.
You want the breaded shrimp?
Huh?
The breaded shrimp?
Mm-hmm. Oh, no. The $10.99. Yeah, this one's right here. Yeah, the $10.99. Yep.
How much?
Half a pound.
And this in the bag for her.
If you want to buy like cake, you can get, we have like a collection here. And there's different prices on the cake. I think think I'm gonna grab some. This is like, they have good cakes. I like the flavor, especially the ones with strawberry filling. I don't think they have those today. Like that one right there. Look at that baby right there. Whoa. I think that's cheesecake, I think. And then we have bread. Muffins. And if you want, like, you love cheese, there's different types of cheeses. And turkey. See that? And then here there's a whole aisle of cheeses. I love this. There's feta, blue cheese, cheddar, Swiss. Yeah, let's walk around. I just don't want to record people. So you can just buy an actual food, like right here. You know, there's a sitting area right here, so you just buy food. And there's Starbucks. I love Starbucks. Starbucks right there for coffee. If you're on a caffeine rush, you can just stop by there. It's almost Christmas, so we have some Christmas decorations right there. And then this aisle is like vegetables. Lettuce, mushrooms, then the meat section right there. I'm gonna buy one of these. They're already marinated. So these are the aisles. This is like a small grocery store. It's not that big. So this is what I do, because the fish is gonna take about 15 minutes, 20 to 15 minutes. So usually I just walk around the store, get my steps in. And here are flowers. Hello. I love flowers, so I'm gonna grab some of this. This is a 39.99 for those. They look really pretty. I'm gonna get some. Yeah, I'm gonna get some of these. They look really good. It's $34, I think. Paliwa to a pombe. Some more cheese. Alright, we'll go back and see if the fish is ready, and then I'm gonna do some shopping, and then I will be on my way home. See, that's the milk.
And since I'm making mac and cheese, that requires milk as well. I wrote that one. I don't see. Change the bomb today.
Huh?
I didn't see you get that before.
Yeah, I changed a little bit.
Yeah, that's what I realized.
Yeah, I wanted to throw everybody off. Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good night.
You too. Thank you. And then these are the final products. So we have the fries, and then we have the fish right in there.